Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a marketing strategy with HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy a marketing strategy with HubSpot, begin by defining your marketing goals. Establish clear objectives that align with your overall business strategy. Identify your target audience by creating detailed buyer personas. Research their demographics, behaviors, and pain points to tailor your messaging. Once you have defined your audience, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the marketing section to access the various tools available. Start by creating a content strategy that resonates with your audience. Develop a content calendar to plan and schedule your posts effectively. Utilize HubSpot's blog tool to create SEO-optimized blog posts. Incorporate relevant keywords to enhance search engine visibility. Next, design lead capture forms to gather information on interested prospects. Position these forms strategically on your website and landing pages. Utilize HubSpot's email marketing tool to craft compelling email campaigns. Segment your contact lists based on interests or demographics for targeted communication. Monitor the performance of your emails through HubSpot's analytics dashboard. Track open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to refine your strategy. Implement social media tools within HubSpot to schedule and manage posts. Engage with your audience across different platforms to build brand awareness. Create high-quality visuals and videos to enhance your social media presence. Utilize HubSpot's marketing automation features to streamline repetitive tasks. Set up workflows based on user behavior to nurture leads effectively. Offer valuable resources like ebooks and webinars to capture leads. Once leads are captured, employ lead scoring to prioritize follow-ups. Align your sales team with marketing efforts for seamless collaboration. Use HubSpot's CRM to manage and track all interactions with leads. Regularly analyze your marketing efforts using HubSpot's reporting tools. Adjust your strategies based on data-driven insights and performance metrics. Continuously optimize your campaigns for better results and ROI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.